CUTTIX is designed with every detail in mind. A full titanium body, ultra-durable construction, and a compact size that stays with you anywhere. The two-stage safety lock ensures the blade never opens accidentally. Crafted from the strongest steel, CUTTIX delivers exceptional durability and precision cutting. From thick rope to leather, it slices with ease and retains its razor-sharp edge. Compact yet powerful, CUTTIX delivers strength beyond its size. No cap, no extra parts, just push, slide and cut. On your keychain, in your pocket, in your bag, always with you. Waterproof, corrosion-resistant and designed for an ergonomic grip. Pick your style with 4 color options. Your everyday carry just got an edge. CUTTIX.